Everyone, welcome back. Livingstone here, and in this video we are going to see how to add a service to an active patient visit. Alright, so without further ado, let us do that. We are going to come on this sidebar and click on this link called client section. Click on it, then we are going to get these various options. Alright, so we are going to click a link called active visit. Alright, now remember that as long as a visit is still active, you can do various operations to it. Alright, you can add a service, you can add pharmacy drugs, you can delete a visit, you can edit a visit. Now this is our patient we added in our previous video. In case you don't know how to add a patient in clinicplus, link in the description. Go back and see the previous video we made about adding a patient. So now the quickest way to add a service to a patient is by clicking this button, alright, which is under services. You click this view service button, and when it opens you are going to see an option of adding service. This is the shortcut of adding service, the quickest way. Okay, so now after you click it, it will open this model, and when it opens this model, you can see that in the first field they're asking for the payment type. Alright, now payment type can either be insurance or personal. So we have insurance and personal, but we shall view insurance in the coming videos. Let us first go with personal for now. Alright, so we are going to select personal, then we go and select the service category. Okay, so this time round we are going to go with consultation. I'm going to select consultation, and when you select a service category, you get the services that fall under that category in the next field, okay, which is this. So when we click here, we get only consultation services. You guys who never saw how we set up consultation services or services in clinicplus, link in the description and up there in your upper right corner of the screen. Okay, so I'm going to select this service, general consultation, and when you select it, the system is going to auto populate the price here. This is what we set in our previous videos of setting services in clinicplus. If you never saw that, link in the description. So after filling this form, you click on this submit button. Okay, so after adding the service, we are going to get this successful message that service added successful. Okay, so now that is one way of adding a service to an active visit. The next way is by clicking this profile button, and after it opens, you are going to get a visit profile of that patient. Okay, the active visit profile of that patient. So after getting this, you can see everything about that visit, okay, like the services ordered for, which are right here, and the prescriptions for that visit. And if you want to see prescriptions, you are going to come on this prescriptions link. So you click on it, and here you can see all the drugs that that patient has ordered for, or the doctors prescribed to that patient. So if you want to add prescriptions, you can use this add prescription button. But since we are focused on services, let us go back to the services window, okay, and we add a service right here. Okay, so now we are going to add, we have added consultation, let us add procedure. Let us add a procedure service. Okay, so we have selected procedure, and here we expect to see only procedure services. Okay, so we are going to go with this wound dressing minor. Okay, when we select it, we get this service price automatically populated here. Okay, we saw how to do this, how to set up those services and their prices in the previous videos, so you can go back and watch those videos. Okay, so after filling this form, you click on this submit button, and that service will be added to that visit. Okay, so guys, that is how we add services to an active visit. Let us meet in our next video.